Powder coating equipment applies solvent-free dry powder to metals, plastics, and composites, delivering durable, eco-friendly finishes at low cost. A standard line has 3 core parts: a pretreatment system to clean workpieces for strong adhesion, an electrostatic spray gun, manual or automatic, that charges powder particles to stick to grounded surfaces evenly, and a curing oven that melts and sets the powder into a scratch and corrosion-resistant layer. Used across automotive, furniture, and construction industries, it suits both small workshops and large production lines, minimizing waste while ensuring consistent, high-quality results.